First of all, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister for implementing the National Education Policy in our state for Standard 9th, which will benefit the students. With the implementation of NEP and especially giving importance to holistic education and skill development, it warrants for additional teachers to take care of the subjects. I request the Honorable CM to sanction additional posts of teachers for successful outcome of the implementation of NEP. I would like to request the Honorable CM. There are many posts which have fallen vacant due to retirement. These vacant posts should be filled on regular basis instead of contract basis. जेन्ना आमी ह्या टिचरींक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजिसांचेर वर्सा दिता इट जॉब सेक्युरिटी आसना एंड देन दे ऑल्सो थिंक तेंची एज वाडत आसता सो प्लीज गिव दोज जॉब्स ऑन रेगुलर बेसीस. NOCs for vacant posts in schools or higher secondaries should be applied on the portal of the Education Department. The Education Department should go online to avoid the time consumed in issuing of the NOCs. The Education Department, Honorable CM kindly note, the Education Department has not released the maintenance grants for the secondary and primary schools till date. Regarding the Balrath buses, I would like to congratulate the Honorable CM for increasing the salaries of the drivers and conductors of the Balrath buses. But I would also request the Honorable CM to see if he can do a new policy of this Balrath and buy some new buses. These are students going in these old Balrath buses, which can be fatal and dangerous for them. So please, if you can make a new Balrath policy only and replace all the old Balrath buses. Regarding demand number 83, mines. मायन्साचे जेन्ना आमी उलयता तेन्ना हांव आमच्या ऑनरेबल CMन पयलेच कॉंग्रेच्युलेट म्हणटा. आमच्या बजेटान CMन सांगलेलेच हा की ह्या वर्सा तरी सँड मायनींग पॉलिसी हाडटलो म्हणून. सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट द ऑनरेबल CM टू डू इट एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, कित्याक रेंव इतली म्हारग जाल्या people cannot afford the rising cost of sand, and then it being illegal. आमचे गोंयकार ट्रकवाले आहा, आमचे गोंयकार ते बिजनसान आहा सँड मायनिंगान. सो ही सँड मायनींग पॉलिसी वेग्यांचे वेग्यान हाडची ऑनरेबल CMन, which will be big relief to the Goans. Regarding demand number 84, civil aviation. Civil aviationाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयता तेन्ना हांव ऑनरेबल CMच्या नोदरेक हाडूंक सोदता. The existing rates which are levied by this GMR airport on our taxi local taxi people. Speaker sir, पयले म्हणल्यार तो टोल आतां येयल्लो आहा तो. केन्ना तो टोल चालू जातलो? That will be, I don't know, minimum 200 maybe. That is still not put up for Mopa airport, sir. Mopa toll. मागीर जेन्ना आमचे टॅक्सी भाव पिकअप करपाक वयता स्पीकर सर, तेन्ना 5 मिनटांनी भितर 200 रुपया. म्हळ्यार तूं इमॅजन एकटो ट्युरिस्ट आमच्या गोंयांत येता, वो टॅक्सीवालो कितलो फास्ट वयतलो टू पिक हिम अप, कित्याक विदीन 5 minutes इट विल द फेअर इज फॉर पिकअप इज 200 आनी 5 मिनटाचे वयर जाल्यार 300, आय मीन 500 सॉरी. सो हो टॅक्सीवालो इतलो फास्ट वयतलो, तांकां आतां कोण ट्युरिस्ट येता ते आपली बॅगां घेवन येता, you can imagine the welcome what they are getting from the taxi people. Fast त्यांच्यो सुटकेशो कित्याक हाडला ती गाडयेन घालतले. It is unreasonable and not warranted. 200 रुपया 5 मिनटान आनी 5 मिनटाच्या वयर पिकअप जाल्यार टायम जालो जाल्यार 500 रुपया. I think the Honorable CM should ask the GMR to levy the same charges what Daboli Airport charges the everyone. Magir above 5 minutes pickup 500. Magir drop पहिले charge करून नासले. आता drop 50 rupees charge करून लागले. This is another unwarranted required. आणि ड्रॉपाक 10 मिनटाच्या वयर आहा जाल्यार 500. What this is really Honorable CM has to look into this. Parking fees आहा थंयसर. दाबोली एअरपोर्ट आमचो 50 rupees चार्ज करता for 5 minutes आणि 5 minutesच्या वयर आहा जाल्यार 100 rupees चार्ज करता. So the GMR also has to charge all the local taxis the same rate as they are charging Daboli Airport.